Are you using Pinterest to promote your affiliate links or products? If you're not, you might be missing out some serious cash. But don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you the 5 simple steps needed so you can be able to promote your affiliate links or products or whatever it is. And if you're new here, welcome to Online Muscle Hustle, where all we do is find different ways on how to make an online income. So let's get to it. But before I get to the steps, there's some important facts about Pinterest that you need to know that will help you in your journey. The first one is Pinterest sees over 450 million active users each month. And on top of that, in 2020 alone, they've seen over 100 million plus active users increase that year, which is an outstanding amount. So it's definitely safe to say that Pinterest is a growing platform, and it's time for you to take advantage of it. Another fact that you must know is that 77% of users on Pinterest are women, 14% are men, and the rest are unspecified. Meaning, if you're looking to promote a male product, it probably won't be the best to promote it on Pinterest due to the high volumes of women that's on the app. Unless you want to promote a seasonal gift item like for Christmas or Father's Day, that would work way better than just promoting a male product year round. And one of the most important facts is 95% of the top searches on Pinterest are unbranded. This is really great news if you're promoting a brand or a business or anything that isn't really well known, or even if you want to start up your own e-commerce store. You'll find way more success on Pinterest, say, than Facebook or Instagram. And the last statistic I want to mention is my favorite one. The people on Pinterest make great money. 41% of Pinterest users earn more than $75,000 each year. So between Pinterest users having a greater amount of income per year and the simple 5 steps I'm going to show you in this video, I'm sure that you will find success promoting whatever you need to on Pinterest. Alright, let's get to the 5 steps needed to achieve this. The first step is picking a topic. This could be clothing, tech, gaming, food, whatever you want, because there's a lot of different topics that you can choose from. Just pick a topic that you're interested in or a topic that you think will bring great value to customers. For this video, I'm going to be using New Chicks clothing products because they're women's clothing, so it'll appeal to a lot of people on Pinterest, and I find a lot of their clothing really unique. Alright, now that we have our topic/niche and have step 1 completed, it's time to move on to step number 2, which is it's time to pick some affiliate products. And if you're not with any affiliate programs yet or don't know about it, don't worry, I have your back. Some great affiliate programs you can start in is Amazon Associate Program. Amazon Associate Program is a great program that you can start in. All you have to do is go to amazonassociate.com, sign up with all your information, and boom, just like that, you're in. You'll be able to promote any products on their website. Or if you don't want to be with Amazon, there's 2 other programs I consider you joining, and that is CJ Affiliate and Impact.com. And just like Amazon, all you have to do is just go to their website, fill in some information. It's very simple information that you must fill out. Or maybe you don't want to do any of those, no problem. So let's say you wanted to promote Nike products or maybe Fashion Nova products. All you have to do is just search in, let's say, Nike affiliate program, and a lot of different companies have affiliate programs. All you have to do is type in the name and affiliate program after it, and it will show you whether or not they have affiliate program. You can sign up for it and start promoting their products. That's simple. And once we found an affiliate program that we want to promote with, just scroll through all their products and find a couple of different items that you want to promote on Pinterest, say the link to them, and let's get to step number 3, which is creating a new Pinterest account. To achieve this, the first thing you want to do is open up your Chrome browser, whatever browser you're using, and just type in Pinterest.com. And once we're at Pinterest.com, you don't want to log into an account you already have. You want to sign up for a brand new account. And yeah, and once you do this, type in, the questions they ask you. It's going to ask for your age first. Just type that in. Just a couple questions. It's not going to be too hard. And then you just want to hit next. And once you do this, it asks, female, male, just click whatever you are, country, just click that, and then it's going to ask you some stuff that you're interested in. You can pretty much just click anything for this. We won't be using this too much for our account. And once you do this, just hit the done button. And it's going to take a second for them to load up your account and save everything that they need to. And then once they do this, you're going to be at this screen. And just click up in the top right hand corner and click convert to business, and it shows you everything that's going to happen. You're gonna be able to see your analytics, your ads manager, audience insight, conversion insights, a verified manager, and then all you want to do is click convert account, so you can convert that over to your business account. and then you'll be at this screen. And for your profile name, it's just whatever your name was that you chosen. You know, mine was Lovely Women Clothing, so that's what I'm gonna type in. But once we have that typed in, it's gonna ask, do you have a website? For us, we're just gonna click no, because we do not. Then, you know, it asks you your country and language. You know, I'm from the United States in English, so that's what I'm gonna pick. And it's gonna ask you what the focus of your brand is. So you put whatever yours in, but you know, for me, it's clothing and fashion, so I'm gonna click on clothing, but put in whatever yours is. And it asks you pick 3 of your goals. For us, it's to generate more leads to our business, because you know that's what we're trying to do, make more sales for the business we're promoting, drive traffic to our site, more traffic, more sales, and create an audience. An audience equals more sales as well. And then after we click them 3, it's time to hit the next button. And this asks you like to describe our business. We're just promoting affiliate products, so for this you can just put in I'm not sure, unless you have a different goal over here. And then it asks if you're ever interested in advertising. For this, you just want to put yes, you're interested, because you never know in the future what's going to happen. And after we do this, we want to go straight to building our profile. So you want to click on that, and right here we're actually going to be switching the name. So Lovely Women's Clothing, and our username is going to be switched. So I'm gonna put in Lovely Women's Clothing as my username now, and then as my display name, I want to delete that and change that to whatever, to describe whatever my product is about. So I'm gonna put in beauty clothing, because my product is like beauty clothing. Just put in, like, you know, an adjective and a couple words if you can about whatever your brand is that you're promoting. And right there, we're going to be done with that part. And next up, you want to put in a little about your profile. I already had a bio ready for my profile. You know, it doesn't have to be anything too deep. You know, it's just something simple, you know, to hook in your audience, ready to turn heads. You know, that's a strong question that people, you know, want to continue reading. So that's pretty much all you need to have. So you want to do that for your profile. And next is, you know, it asks for your website. We don't have that. An email address, you know, it's not really our business unless, you know, you're doing actual business and have that. You know, country code doesn't apply to us, and address and everything. If you want to put that in, you know, the city, the state for that, then you can if you want to. But for here, I'm not going to do that because, you know, it doesn't really matter. Then once we're done, we're going to hit save, and then we're going to click and go look at it. It's not fully complete, but it's really coming together. I really like this, and at the end of this completes the step, and now it's time to get on to the next one. Now that we've completed that step, it's time for step number 4. And in this step, all we're going to be doing is creating content for our newly made Pinterest account. There's a couple of different methods I'll be showing you how to create content for your account. The first method is going to a website called Canva.com. Canva.com is a great website for creating stunning and amazing designs. The first thing that we want to do to get started is just open up your Chrome browser and type in Canva.com so we can go there and sign up for a free account. And in the top right hand corner, just go up and hit the sign up button. You can sign up with your Google account, Facebook account, or your email. I already have myself an account, so I'm just gonna log in. But if you don't, you know, just sign up. They just ask you a couple questions, and you'll be along your way. And you'll come up to a screen like this. You want to go up to where it say create a design up in the top right hand corner, and then type in Pinterest pin. Once you see the Pinterest pin, you want to do the one that say 1000 by 1500. Just click on that one when you see it, and then load up this screen right here for the perfect size for your Pinterest pin, which is really neat. And as you can see, there's all the ready-made templates for you that you can click on and customize to your liking. And look at that one. This one right here works great for me for fashion, my best fashion styles. I can just customize it however I want. I can change up the background in any color I want. And I can change anything about this. I can change how I want the photogenic to look. Look at that, they make it pop even more. I can change where the text is. I can change the text color. I can change even the text. So I'm gonna put in New Chick Clothing, since New Chick Clothing line is what I'm promoting. And then I'm gonna change that color to blue to make it pop more with a couple more colors. I'm gonna put that in the bottom corner. And yeah, this is really coming together. All you need to do is just click on whatever you need, change up the font, change up the picture if you want, you know, change it up however you want. But yeah, Canva is really neat when it comes to having already made custom sizes and templates for you for whatever content you need. It doesn't only work for Pinterest. If you're doing Facebook post or Instagram posts, you can come here and do the same thing with this one. But yeah, this is looking pretty good to me now. I'm starting to like this. So just go up to the download button and just hit download, and it'll start downloading it for you or straight to your files, and you can come get it wherever you need to. And that's it, just that easy. You can make fresh content every day. And let's say you didn't like Canva.com. Don't worry, I have another website we can use, and that is TikTok. And to get started with this, we'll just need to open our browser again and go to search and type in TikTok.com. I'm sure you heard of it. It's, you know, a really popular app right now. Everybody's on it. But once you get here, you just want to go to the let's say you know, you got tech, you want to pick something that's techy, but you know, for me, I got fashion, so I'm gonna type in #fashion and see what the fashion accounts have. I'm gonna click on Fashion Nova because they got some pretty nice popular stuff, and we usually just want to click on something you like. I'm gonna click on this one and just copy the link for the TikTok, and you want to go to another app. So just open a new browser and type in a website called snaptik.app. And once you type it in, it will say paste TikTok link here. Just paste in the link you just did, hit the download button, and click download server 1. And once you do this, you just hit the close button. This will download the TikTok you just had, and just click on it. And as you can see, it's really nice graphics still, just like it was on TikTok. And now you can use this for your Pinterest account. But one thing I must mention, just make sure you give whatever account that you got it from credit on your Pinterest account. For me, it will be Fashion Nova. Just make sure you send a link back to them, their account, so you know you're just not stealing content for them. And just that easy, you can use content just like that from TikTok. Now that we have our content created for Pinterest, it's time for step number 5, which is just posting content consistently. Posting around 2 to 5 times a day will help your account tremendously grow. Now that we went over the 5 simple steps it takes to achieve success on Pinterest, all there is left to do is getting started. And on that note, looks like we have arrived at the end of the video. Like always, I hope you found value and this video was able to help you out. And if it did, please hit that like and subscribe button for me, because all we do at Online Muscle Hustle is find different ways to make some online income. And I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.
It wrapped around your soul.